This is the heart of Bagua. The Chinese them buy a next piece of land property right here. So now, look at it now. This is the beginning of it. They will put up a big business place right here in the Bagwalks Center. Let's follow the progress of this place by viewers. We'll keep video this when them start lay block and everything on it, foundation, everything. Very smart business people, them Chinese and Indian them. Always been buying out all the properties them. Set up business. Them digging out a deep foundation down there. Wow. Wow. Way down, man. Several feet down. Very massive piece of complex this. Multi-million-dollar work. Nice location, ideal location it's situated. Lots of traffic pass by. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm gonna come back and do some more videos when some more complete on it to see this progress of this big building here.